Hey guys, welcome and thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure this video is going to be really helpful if you are someone who's starting up your own startup or a business. And we are trying to cover this topic of business model canvas on this specific video. So, business model canvas is a very easy framework that many startups use to actually navigate through their customers, their value proposition, and how they would really want to add value to the market, right? So the person who actually created this framework is Alexander Osterwalder. He's from Switzerland, and he has actually contributed enormously for, with respect to business planning or business modeling. So this specific framework created by him is very helpful for, especially for startups. So let's begin. So there are two sides to this. One is the right side where we will be deep diving more into understanding about the market, understanding about your business and the revenue, and the left side of the canvas really talks about what are the steps or what are the activities that you should be doing towards actually getting your vision come alive. Yeah. The first segment we'll be looking at in the business model canvas is customer segment. So it is quite important that you understand who are your customers, right? And what are also their characteristics. So let's take up some business and they have a core customer part, right? And trying to identify and actually noting them down is going to be really fundamental for your business model canvas. The second aspect is identifying the unique value proposition which you are offering to the customers. Like for example, let's say you have someone who has no awareness about your product or service at all, right? And how are you going to be telling them in one sentence that what is the value that you are adding to them? That's the unique value proposition that you should be having. The channel is a very interesting aspect which connects the unique value proposition and your customers, right? So the way through which you actually reach your target customers is the channel. It could be through direct marketing, social media ads, partnerships, based on different factors, right? And also based on your customers. The next one is having a good customer relationship. Like you get someone as your customers not only just because they're going to be buy things one time, right? So you really have to sustain them, and you really have to continue building a good rapport and relationship with them. So how are you going to be doing that, and what is the way that you will be continue serving them is very crucial, and those are ideas that you will be writing on the customer relationship. Revenue stream. So any business requires revenue. So the income that comes into your business is very crucial for you to sustain and grow your business. So you have to identify the sources through which you generate income, right? So this could be a pricing model for your product or a service, or this could be through subscriptions or sales, or it could be different ways, but you identifying them which is relevant for your customers is really crucial. Now let's move to the left side of the business model canvas. The first thing is key resources. So what are the resources or assets that you require to achieve your outcomes? So let's say you are someone who's working on a technology startup. It might be an application or it might be a website. So those are very key resources. The key activities or things that you might be doing or you might be prioritizing towards achieving those outcomes, right? So you have customers, you have their problems, and you have to really think of the solutions that you will be doing and what are the activities that you should really work on. Strategic partnerships are very key in every business, and these strategic partnerships help you to accelerate your vision. So how you can actually collaborate with the different partners is something that you should necessarily identify. The final one and the most important thing is the cost structure. So it's very similar to how you get a revenue. You also need to be spending on different things, right? For example, it could be for the payroll for your employees. It could be for the marketing campaigns that you do, like setting up website, like production costs, like in case if it's a media company. So cost structure are also going to be very crucial when it comes to the business model canvas. So once you identify this, this will be the first version of your business model canvas, and you can definitely iterate it to get multiple versions in the upcoming months. Yeah. So this is very crucial for you to actually kickstart your business. In case if you have an idea, just try to put those ideas in the business model canvas and see if it makes sense. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video is brought to you by Edurise Global. Of course, this is my startup, and you can definitely find more about Edurise on different social media. Please do follow us on YouTube as well for useful content and useful videos. Thank you.